Cogburn's Class.
I'm Byron Cogburn. Welcome to Cogburn's Class. Today we're going to talk about, I don't know if my furnace is working, or if my furnace is not working, what can I do? Well, the first thing you want to do is check your thermostat to make sure it's calling for heat. Check your air filter to make sure it's clean. Check to see if your vents are actually moving air out of them. If you feel air coming out of the vents, it's not warm air, then it could be several things up inside here. The flame is not igniting properly. The vent pipe could be restricted. Regardless, anything in a gas furnace, an expert really needs to take a look at, because again, you have natural gas that you're dealing with, electricity, toxic fumes. I mean, it's more for an expert than for a homeowner. Thank you for coming to another Cogburn's Class. I'm Byron Cogburn, and we'll see you next time.
Cogburn.